lovely people, welcome back to another vlog, and it's so nice to meet you. Thank you so much for watching my vlog today. And ayun nga, dahil na-extend ang enhanced community quarantine natin up to April 30. Yes, sobrang nakakalungkot. But I hope you guys will just stay indoors kung hindi naman natin kailangan lumabas or wala naman tayong masyadong kailangan bilhin. Let's just stay indoors, guys, and makikooperate tayo sa mga leaders natin para sabay-sabay nating malagpasan yung crisis na nangyayari sa bansa natin. And some of us, alam ko na naboboard na tayo sa bahay, and instead of using or scrolling in your social media account, why not do something that will make your day even more productive? So for me, ang nakakamiss lang naman gawin sa labas ng bahay is yung mag-ukay-ukay, because I super love thrifting so much. Meron kami dito mga damit na hindi na ginagamit kasi hindi na kasya, masikip na, and some of them are out of style. So I come up with the idea of, so why not, diba, turns my vision into reality. Since because we don't have sewing machine, is nag-aral ako, nanood ako ng tutorial sa YouTube. Don't worry guys, I got you. I'm gonna link it down below kung, gusto nyo rin gawin or gusto nyo rin mag-refashion ng mga clothes nyo na, hindi na masyadong nagagamit. Let's just see kung magiging successful ba yung gagawin ko. So let's see how I struggle kung paano magtahi. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. For outfit number 1, we have this light blue long sleeve, and meron siyang vertical line na design pero hindi siya nakikita dyan. So yeah. I turn it into a halter crop top. So what I do here is to cut the length na kung hanggang saan ko siya gusto. And I also put some pin to mark because I'm not good at measuring. And para alam ko na rin kung saan ko siya tatahiin. And I also cut the sleeves.
Darling, you send me, I know, send me, darling, you, I know, you send me, darling.
outfit number 2, well, according to my research, because I'm not good at describing things, but this is basically a white blouse shirt that has small collar and puffy sleeves. It looks so classy, but I don't like how it actually hugs my body. So what I'm gonna do here is I will cut it again until I reach my desired length for it.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught.
So for outfit number 3, this is hooded long sleeve shirt, and sorry I wasn't able to show how I cut it, but my vision for this one is to make it looks like this. A very Pinterest inspired cardigan top, but this one it takes time for me to finish it, unlike for outfit number 1 and 2.
Oh, life could be a dream, and I think down plans would come true, and I think down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I think down, galang,
So ayan mga beshi, hinati ko yung gitna, then tinahi ko yung magkabilang gilid para mas malinis siyang tignan. So dahil nga beginners pa lang ako sa pagtatahe, ayan, hindi siya masyadong pantay. It's not perfect, okay? So as you can see, ito yung excess na ginupit ko sa outfit number 1. Ang gagawin ko is gagamitin ko yung butones niya dito sa outfit number 3.
loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. Loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. Something is on my mind.
For the last outfit, this is an oversized long sleeves, and I will turn it into a cinch waist crop top. So the first thing to do is to cut it, but it's up to you how much length you want it to be. You can use ruler or marker para alam mo kung hanggang saan mo siya gugupitin. And also guys, lagyan mo siya ng space or excess para dun mo siya tatahiin. And to sew it, I just use basic straight stitch since we don't have sewing machine. So to make it easy for you na maipasok yung garter, you can use safety pin or regular pin.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the pills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright. I would rather be alone than have you.
So after mong maipasok yung garter and for you to secure it, istahiin mo siya para hindi siya madaling matanggal.
My lies, sorry, darling.
One, two, three, funky.